Hello children, welcome to Narayana Live Classes. What you can see behind me, this is something a block diagram or mapping skills or mind map. Yeah, this is mind map. You know, this is all about the summary of the lesson. The complete summary of the lesson we have just built in a block diagram. You have to do that. You can do your own block diagrams. You can do your own mapping skills. When you know about a small paragraph, pick up the small paragraph and you make your own mapping skills there. Okay, so what we are going to do, we have just summarized the whole lesson into the map. What is this map? It's called mind map. Let's begin. Imaginary lines. We have two imaginary lines. Okay, we have two imaginary, that is latitudes and longitudes. So what you need to write? You have to write latitudes and longitudes. Shall we write? Latitudes and longitudes. Latitudes and longitude. So under latitudes, how many latitudes? The important, we have actually how many latitudes? We have 181 latitudes, but we are not going to write all the latitudes here. We are just going to write only 5 important latitudes. Okay, so what are the 5 important? We start from the north. So we start from the north, that is Arctic Circle. Arctic Circle. After Arctic Circles, what you have? Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer. After Tropic of Cancer, you have another longest latitude, that is Equator. 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 Under Equator, you have another latitude, that is Tropic of Capricorn. Tropic of Capricorn. And the last one in the southern, you have Antarctic Circle. What you have? Antarctic Circle. Antarctic Circle. You have 5 important latitudes: Arctic Circles, Tropic of Cancer, Equator, Tropic of Capricorn and Antarctic Circle. This is all about the latitudes. How many latitudes do you have? 181 latitudes. 180 latitudes, including equator is 181 latitudes. Coming to longitudes, you have 360 degrees longitudes. You have 181 degree latitudes, you have 360 longitudes. But you have only one important longitude, that is prime meridian. Prime meridian is also called as Greenwich. So that's the reason we have given you 2 blocks. You can write prime meridian and Greenwich, and that is 180 degree, right? So you have to write prime meridian here. Prime meridian, Greenwich. So there are 2 imaginary lines, latitudes and longitudes. Under latitudes, we have 5 important latitudes: Arctic Circle, Tropic of Cancer, you have Equator, Tropic of Capricorn and Antarctic Circle. Under longitudes, you have prime meridian. Even prime meridian is also called as Greenwich meridian. Okay. So how many latitudes you have? 181. How many longitudes you have? 360 longitudes. So longitudes are divided into 180, 180. It is called 360, and this is 90, 90. It is 180. So Eastern Hemisphere, Western Hemisphere and Northern Hemisphere and Southern Hemisphere. So when you're thorough with all the latitudes and longitudes, you can perfectly do this lesson, and you can perfectly do all this mind mapping. I hope this is very perfect. What I want you to do is, you read one small paragraph, pick up one small paragraph from your textbook and see how you can do the mapping skills. Okay, what is the important topic in that and how you can divide the small paragraph into the different blocks. So make sure, do this for you. You can know what exactly this mind map is all about. Thank you children. Thanks a lot.